In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use premium Ubersuggest for free. Many people are eager to harness the full power of Ubersuggest, a robust SEO and keyword research tool, but might not know how to access its premium features without incurring costs. I'm here to guide you through a method that lets you enjoy these premium features without spending a dime. Firstly, you're going to want to sign up for or log into Ubersuggest and start the 7-day free trial. When choosing the plan for this trial, make sure to select the monthly plan option as it allows you to activate the trial without any upfront charges. It's important to note that this trial period is crucial as it gives you complete access to all premium features. As soon as you've activated your trial, immediately make a note of the trial end date and enter it into your calendar. It's a good idea to set a reminder for about 12 to 24 hours before the trial expires. This way, you won't inadvertently let it lapse into a paid subscription without canceling it first. After all, the goal here is to enjoy the premium benefits without the cost. During those 7 days, make a point of fully utilizing the resources that Ubersuggest offers. Use this opportunity to run your campaigns and export any valuable data you might need, whether it's keyword lists, site audits, or competitive analysis. The beauty of this trial period is that you get to keep the exported files even after the trial ends. So take advantage of this and run comprehensive reports that will be beneficial to you later. It's important to remember, if you decide the service isn't for you, or you're looking to avoid any charges, you must cancel the subscription before the 7th day. Doing so will ensure that your account reverts to the free tier, which offers basic but still useful functionalities. Now, if you're not comfortable with the idea of starting a trial, or if you cannot use a credit card, you still have some options. By using a free account alongside the Ubersuggest Chrome extension, you'll still have access to everyday keyword checks and insert metrics. The extension permits a significant number of free queries daily, making it a reliable alternative for those not interested in the trial process. Whether you choose the trial route or stick with the free resources, Ubersuggest equips you with tools to boost your SEO efforts without breaking the bank. With a bit of planning and savvy use of available resources, you can maximize your reach and visibility efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Ubersuggest.